Kuratsa! Magpapakilala po sa inyong lahat. Magpapakilala po muli ako sa inyo. My name is CA. Madaling tandaan and people call me Kuratsa. Dahil ako ang babaeng hindi marunong magpahinga. Sabi nila, mula umaga hanggang umaga. Ayan. For today's vlog, meron po akong share sa inyo na practical na tips, practical na puntahan. Kung kayo ay namumroblema sa inyong mga kadamitan. Ayan, tulad ngayon, maglalaba ako. Oh, meron ba naglalaba sa sasakyan? Syempre, wala, diba? Pupuntahan po natin yung suki kong laundry shop. Kung natin patagalin. Itong laundry shop na ito, guys. Pag nagpunta kayo sa lugar na to, sabihin ko na sa inyo, sulit. Ha? Sulit. At malalaman nyo kung bakit siya sulit. Love na love ko tong place na to. I highly recommend this place. Malalaman nyo siya bakit sulit. Sa ilang segundo lamang. Oy. Hi guys! So ayun na nga, andito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga favorite place ko to hang out with. Ayan, kung saan makakagawa ako ng maraming bagay kasi nga sabi ko nga sa inyo kayo, diba, sulit puntahan itong lugar na ito. Dito kasi makakapaglaba na ako dahil nga paglaba ang topic natin ngayon, day. Pero yun nga lang, sorry kasi sa lugar na to marami kang pwedeng gawin. Diba? So yun na nga, isa sa mga favorite place ko ay walang iba kundi ang tara, mamipita na. Ayun, so ito yung isa sa mga best place kung gusto mo ng quality na laba, paglalaba. Ayan, tsaka mabilisan ba kasi dito kasi time saving yung pamamalagi mo rito. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Watch this video. Magpipitana was opened by its owner so that the Pampangans can reclaim the precious time they spend doing laundry instead of doing the things they love. Imagine in just 45 minutes for washing clothes and another 30 minutes for drying them, you will already have clean, fresh, and dry clothes once again. Tara mamipitana, which means, come on, let's do the laundry in Kapampangan language. Harkens back to the old years when washing clothes was a community activity. Women would call out to their peers shouting, "Tara, mamipita na!" as each proceed to banks of Pampanga River to wash their garments. The introduction of washing machines in the 1970s removed the social aspect of washing clothes. Women, in their role as spouses, mothers, or sisters, became the sole person responsible for doing laundry, thus removing them for a good 3 to 4 hours from their usual activities. O, diba? Relate ka doon, Besh? And that is even when the task already involved a machine. Tara mamipita na laundromat is envisioned to empower people to reclaim the precious time they spend doing laundry instead of doing the things they love. In just 45 minutes for washing clothes and another 30 minutes for drying them, one can already have clean, fresh, and dry clothes while saving money on electric and water bills as compared to washing at home. And more importantly, the laundromat brings back the sense of community to the mundane task of doing laundry. Suddenly, women are again outside their abode when doing laundry, able to see other members of the society, discuss about the community and the current events around them while doing a chore. To the multitaskers like me, mga kakuransa, the laundromat, with its free Wi-Fi and bills payment facility, becomes a venue to finish more tasks or to do work that is even more rewarding. Otherwise, the extra time saved from not doing laundry the old way gives women more hours as me time, yes, our favorite, or hours to spend with their loved ones, to nurture their children, bond with their spouses, or empower the community and other women. In the words of laundry goers, laundry is a task most people dismiss as unimportant until you have to do it yourself and spend a good number of hours on it. When it is outsourced, the hours reclaimed are simply priceless. In Mami Pitana, you can visit with your hair down, with your tattered clothes and slippers. Just like when you visit Pampanga River before. It is not posh nor intimidating, but welcoming. After all, you are visiting to wash clothes more than anything else. Mami Pitana is not just a laundromat. It's a tribute to our shared past. So tara, Mami Pitana! So ano pang hinihintay natin mga Besh Wops? Maglalaba na tayo. Tikman itong milk tea guys ha. Ay, masarap yung matcha nila. Matcha. 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 Matcha green tea. Siguro pag inom mo ito, you will find your kamach now. Learn! Sarap. While you're doing your laba-laba, milk tea ka muna. Long time yung ang bagay sa akin to. Matagal na ako nag-milk tea. Tapos na yung labada ko, diba? Wala pang 9 o'clock. Hindi na amoy kulob. Nagawa ko sa 2 oras. Nagawa ko ng vlog na to. Diba? Nakapag-internet ako. Nakausap ko yung mga loved ones ko sa internet kasi may wifi dito. Nakapag-milk tea ako. Ayan, kanina may milk tea tayo. Meron pa tayong ano dito guys. Meron silang bagong feature. Kailangan ko ba ng papa? Oo, kailangan ko. Sorry. Kailangan mo ba ng papa? Papabili, papadala, papabayad, papagawa. Ganun yun. Isip mo naman dyan. O, para sa mga busy tao na hindi makapunta rito, tapos kailangan nila palaba pa rin, meron sila makapunta nga, so merong papa-deliver, gano'n, papa-deliver mo yung labada ko. So ako, one of these days, pwede kong i-avail yan dahil. So yun na nga. Hello guys! Ayan na nga, nakauwi na tayo sa ating bahay at to summarize everything about my experience about Naramang Pitana is yun nga, for a multitasker like me, ayan, Ayan, very okay siyang puntahan because they have free wifi. They offer bills payment. So, meron ka mga bills na babayaran. Any bills, water or electronic bills. And, ayun nga, their newest feature is they have a milk tea doon sa gilid nila. So, sa mga milk tea lovers, you can enjoy your milk tea. You can enjoy your milk tea sa halagang 80 pesos lang, large na yon. And kanina nga na-try natin yung matcha flavor. So, good. Ayan. At syempre, guys, they have also another feature na nag-o-offer ng papa-deliver, papagawa, ganun. Na-feature ko mamaya at the end of this video is i-flash ko dyan yung information about it para malaman niyo sa mga tamad or walang time na magpalaba kung doon, pwede lang i-deliver yung labada mo. So yun nga, ipahanap na lang ng place, guys. Ba't ka magpupunta rin sa place na magkasaya ka ng oras or diba, hindi productive. So, again guys, in my channel, we are promoting productivity in everything that you will do and everything that you will buy. Yan. So, diba? Oh, hindi nga pala sisipin. Once again guys, thank you so much. I hope na nagustuhan nila yung ating channels. I hope nakatulong ako. Kung sa inyo, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan magandang pumunta, saan magandang magpalaba, saan sulit puntahan. Okay? Okay, so once again, my name is CA. Wait, I didn't even cook! My God. And people call me Karacha. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more updates of my videos and whereabouts. Yan guys, iba-iba yung magiging topic natin every week. Yan, may food, fashion, vlog, gaming. Ayan, try nyo lang minsan. Iba't iba pa guys. Thank you so much. I hope na gusto nyo po yung ating topic for tonight. Again, bye-bye! Love!